Ever pondered on starting an online business armed with just your smartphone? In our rapidly evolving digital world, this idea is not only possible but also brimming with potential, especially in Nigeria, where the convenience and relatively low startup costs can provide a powerful launchpad for your entrepreneurial journey. Imagine harnessing the power of the internet right from your smartphone to generate daily income. From social media management to digital marketing consultancy, a plethora of opportunities awaits. Intrigued? Let's explore these lucrative opportunities awaiting you. Our first venture is social media management. In this digital age, businesses and individuals alike are realizing the power of social media. However, managing multiple platforms can be time-consuming and requires a certain level of expertise. That's where you come in. Offer your services to manage these accounts, curate engaging content, increase followers, and handle customer interactions. You could be the voice behind a local bakery's Instagram posts or the strategist growing a tech startup's LinkedIn presence. Imagine a tweet you craft could go viral, boosting your client's brand and cementing your reputation as a social media maven. You can monetize this service by charging a monthly retainer or on a per-project basis. By staying updated on the latest social media trends and understanding your client's target audience, you can turn your social media savviness into a profitable venture. Next up, content creation. This is an expansive domain with a myriad of opportunities. Whether you're into writing, filming, or talking, there's a platform out there for you. Starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel, or hosting a podcast, it's all about sharing valuable content in a niche that lights your fire. But how do you choose your niche? It's simple. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What are you knowledgeable in? What problems can you solve for people? Once you've answered these questions, you've got your niche. Now, let's talk money. How do you monetize your content? There are a few ways. Advertising is one, sponsored content is another. You could also sell digital products related to your niche. The key is to provide value first, then monetize. Remember, content creation is all about using your creativity and passion to generate income. So get out there and start creating. Use your creativity and passion to generate income. Now let's delve into freelance writing and online tutoring. Freelance writing is a fantastic avenue for those with a knack for words. As a freelance writer, your services could be sought after by businesses, websites, or individuals who need engaging blog posts, compelling articles, or captivating website content. The beauty of freelance writing is that you can write from anywhere for anyone at any time. You become your own boss, setting your rates and choosing projects that pique your interest. To kickstart your freelance writing journey, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are great starting points. These platforms connect you with clients from across the globe, broadening your horizons and expanding your portfolio. But let's not forget about the power of networking. Reach out to local businesses, startup websites, or even established bloggers. Showcase your writing skills and express your eagerness to contribute to their platforms. Remember, every piece of writing you put out into the world increases your visibility and establishes your credibility. Now, let's shift gears and discuss online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, why not share that knowledge and get paid for it? Online tutoring allows you to teach students in a one-on-one setting or even in groups. Whether you're a whiz at mathematics, a connoisseur of English literature, or a maestro of music, there's a student out there who could benefit from your expertise. You can advertise your services on social media or join tutoring platforms like TutorMe or Preply. These platforms not only connect you to students worldwide, but also provide you with the tools to manage your tutoring business effectively. Freelance writing and online tutoring. Two online business ventures that allow you to use your skills and knowledge to generate income. They offer flexibility, autonomy, and the opportunity to make a real impact in people's lives, all while earning money. So, whether you're crafting a thought-provoking article or explaining complex equations to a student, remember this. Your knowledge is valuable, your skills are needed, and your potential is limitless. Leverage your skills and knowledge to earn money. Moving on to graphic design and virtual assistants. Picture this. You're a whiz with colors, lines, and shapes, and you have an uncanny ability to create eye-catching designs that communicate messages effectively. If this sounds like you, then graphic design could be a great online business venture. As a graphic designer, you could offer services like logo creation, social media post design, ad design, or website banner creation. The beauty of this is that you can do all this right from your smartphone. Now, where to find these clients, you ask? Well, you've got a sea of opportunities waiting for you on platforms like Fiverr or 99 Designs. These platforms act as a bridge, connecting you with individuals and businesses who need your design expertise. Remember, a strong portfolio showcasing your best work could be your golden ticket to attracting clients. On the other hand, if you have a knack for organization and multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant could be right up your alley. As a virtual assistant, you could support busy professionals or entrepreneurs, all from the comfort of your own home. Your tasks could range from managing emails, scheduling appointments, to even managing social media accounts. The best part? All you need is your trusty smartphone and a reliable internet connection. So how do you find people who need your administrative prowess? There are several platforms out there, such as Upwork or Freelancer, that can help you connect with potential clients. Just remember to highlight your key skills and experiences that make you an ideal virtual assistant. Whether you choose to dive into the world of graphic design or virtual assistants, always remember that the key to success lies in continuously honing your skills and providing top-notch service. After all, happy clients are more likely to refer you to others, and referrals can be a great source of new business. Turn your design skills or administrative expertise into a profitable business. Scene script. Next, we explore e-commerce and affiliate marketing. E-commerce is like the modern marketplace where you can sell anything from handmade crafts to high-tech gadgets. Now you might be wondering, what if I don't have my own products to sell? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online, but the supplier stores, packs, and ships the products on your behalf. You never have to touch the inventory. Brilliant, right? There are platforms like Shopify or Jumia that make this process even easier. They provide you with the tools to set up your online store, manage inventory, and process payments. All you need is a good eye for products that sell, a knack for marketing, and a smartphone. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services of other companies. It's like being a middleman, but a digital one. You use your website, blog, or social media platforms to share affiliate links to these products or services. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Affiliate marketing is a great way to generate passive income. You don't need to create a product or handle any sales transactions. You just need to connect the buyer with the seller. There are many affiliate marketing programs out there, like Amazon Associates, that you can join to start earning commissions. E-commerce and affiliate marketing are powerful tools in the digital age. They allow anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection to start a business. You don't need a physical store or a large investment. All you need is the right strategy, some dedication, and a bit of creativity. Whether you're selling your own products, drop shipping, or promoting other people's products, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So if you've got selling skills or a knack for marketing, why not transform them into a money-making machine? Transform your selling skills or marketing prowess into a money-making machine. Finally, let's look at online fitness training and digital marketing consultancy. With the current trend of remote living, people are more than ever seeking ways to stay fit from home. You can become a certified fitness trainer, offering virtual training sessions or personalized workout plans. Use your social media platforms to showcase your skills and engage with potential clients. Switching gears a bit, we have digital marketing consultancy. In this digital era, businesses are always looking to improve their online presence and reach. You can provide valuable strategies for social media marketing, SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising. Offer your expertise and help businesses navigate the complex digital landscape. Both these ventures offer a wonderful opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. Whether you're helping someone achieve their fitness goals or aiding a business in reaching new heights, you're creating positive change. And the best part, you're making money while doing it. Make a difference in people's lives while making money. Now we have explored 10 online businesses you can start from your smartphone. We've covered everything from social media management to content creation, freelance writing, online tutoring, graphic design, virtual assistants, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online fitness training, and digital marketing consultancy. Each of these avenues holds the potential for generating daily income, transforming your smartphone into your personal office. Remember, dedication and continuous learning are key to your success. Now go and turn your smartphone into a money-making machine.